How to add multiple photos to Instagram story. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can add multiple photos to your Instagram story. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to add multiple photos to Instagram story, first of all open your Instagram app and here you will see your story option, click on it. And from here you have to select the photos that you want to show on your Instagram story. For example, I want to select this photo, click on next and click on layout, and here you have to just make it short and just scroll up, and from here you have to click on photos, and here you can select another photo and make it resize, and again click on photos, and from here you can select any other photo. So in this way you can add multiple photos to your Instagram story, and click on next and click on share, and after click on share your Instagram story would be public. So guys, in this way you can add single, double or triple or multiple photos on your Instagram story very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.